Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to look at Facebook Story Archive. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch it till the end of the video to know how it's done. So to view your Facebook Story Archive on an Android device, you can use the Facebook app to access and manage your saved stories. So here's how you can do it. So firstly, launch the Facebook app on your Android device. Then tap on your profile at the top left corner of your device. Then, on your profile, look for the three dots next to your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, go to the Archive section. Tap on this option. Now, tap on the Story Archive. And this option, you can view your archived stories. You can now browse through your archived stories to view past stories that you have saved. From the archive, you can manage your stories by viewing, sharing, or deleting them as needed. Additional tips: if you don't see the Story Archive option in the Facebook app, make sure you have updated to the latest version of the app from the Google Play Store. Facebook may periodically update its app interface and features, so the steps and options might vary slightly based on the app version. By following these steps, you can easily access and view your Facebook story archive on your Android device. Using the Facebook app, this allows you to revisit and manage your saved stories conveniently. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.